friends, this time I am going to discuss about string slice. The term string slice refers to a part of the string where strings are sliced using a range of index. That is, for a string, say name, if we give name n colon m, where n and m are integers and a legal index, Python will return a slice of the string by returning the characters falling between index n and m, starting at n, n plus 1, n plus 2 till m minus 1. Following figure shows some string slice using the string. Well, hello string. Hello string is a variable where hello world is the value. See here, hello string 610. So here you can see HELLO space WORLD. So you will see the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here you can see hello string 6 colon 10, means range is given here 6 to 10. Okay, so in that case characters from 6 index and till index 9 will be part of hello string 6 colon 10. Okay, the last value is not used because you can see here m minus 1. So m is 10, m minus 1 means 9. So it will read only 6, 7, 8 and 9 indexes, means WORL. Once again here you can see hello string 6 colon. 6 colon मीन्स इस स्ट्रिंग में जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स होंगे बिगनिंग कैरेक्टर 6 होगा और लास्ट इंड कैरेक्टर तक सबको वो रीड करेगा. यू कैन सी हियर कैरेक्टर इंडेक्स HELLO space WORLD. So 6 is the beginning and it will goes to the last because last index is not given. Okay, so that's why you can see in the same format. Again you can see here, suppose that you can see another slice HELLO space WORLD, where hello string colon 5 means beginning from 0 but last index is 5. So it will read till 5 minus 1 means till 4. So HELLO hello will be slice, string slice. Once again you can see here hello string 3 colon minus 2. As you know, there are two types of indexing, forward indexing and backward indexing. So forward indexing is read from 0 to last and backward indexing is read from minus 1 to the first. Okay, so HELLO space WORLD, where range is given 3 colon minus 2. So this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So minus 2 will ignore and it will read from 3 to minus 3. Okay, so I think you understand string slice in Python. Okay.